Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. You already know who it is, man. It's your guy, Zell. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys something that I think is going to help a lot of you guys out. It's something I've been using the past like 2-3 months. I'm actually going to show you two different type of generators, okay? This is going to help you if you're struggling with playing a keyboard or just any type of melodies whatsoever. Like if you're really good with the drums, but you're struggling with like the music side of things, you know what I'm saying? So this is going to help you. But before I get into this, I need you to, you already know what I need you to do. I need you to hit the subscribe button. It's like right here, you know what I'm saying? It's that red thing. You can't miss it. It's a big ass button. It says subscribe. And then there's a like button. And somewhere over here, you know what I'm saying? I'm in a small ass box, so I don't know. But you know what I'm saying? You know where to find it. It's YouTube. So yeah, do that for me. It's been about 30 seconds on my invisible watch. So that counts as a view. Appreciate you. All right, so here we go. This right here is, I'm actually going to show you the first thing. This is good for when you're coming up with chords. It's called Unison Midi Wizard. All right. Now this video was brought to you and sponsored by Eva Beat with the melody sauce. And that's who this video is really going to be headlining. But it's two things. So I feel like I might as well just kill two birds with one stone. So let's start with the Unison Midi Wizard. So this is from Unison. You guys probably seen their ads. I found these guys. And pretty much you would just drag and drop it once you get it installed and all that. It costed me like $300-400 somewhere around there. But again, that was like two months ago, something like that. And what this does is this generates chords and melodies. So for this video, I'm just going to show you the chords that this generates, and we're just going to go with genre. Let's just go to R&B. You choose the key. I like C minor. Oops. C sharp minor, C minor, 4 bars. We'll keep the transpose on 0. Now, boom! As soon as I hit that button, it just generated me some melody. So to make it play, because I got some guitars pulled up, it won't play. Even though I'm playing it, it won't play without first I need to drag this down. So this guitar, go to all inputs, and go to Unison Midi Wizard. All right, now if you guys want to do a one-on-one call with me, I am doing these now. I will have a link in the description. I'm doing calls, so if you guys want to do a Zoom call, team viewer, for any type of questions you guys have, it costs, but it's really valuable information. All right, so you do that, and then now it should play. So you can do that. If you don't like it, generate another one. Boom. So once you like what you did, you grab it and drag it and drop it right here, the MIDI. That's simple. Make sure you turn it off and go back to all inputs. And now you're there. Now that's real simplified. Just make sure you go in here and change the velocity. Like you could also strum too, slide in the notes. But right here, what I mean by velocity is I'm gonna highlight all of them, go to my macro. I got it on music editing. You guys can make your own macros too, but this is one that Studio One has. Go to velocity, and I randomize it 25%. Of course, you know the strumming feature. If you guys don't know how I like to do it, I turn this off, the toggle snap, and I just drag. Oops, I grab right there. Depends on the speed of it. You see what I'm saying? So it kind of creates like a strum. But now let's talk about Eva Beat, because this melody. So you could do melodies through Unison Midi Wizard, but also this melody sauce. This is crazy. So you find the key, same key. I'm in C minor. And then you can choose the speed if you want to be slow or fast. Let's just go slow. Octave, same thing. Swing on, a triplet on. You could also click the help tips, and it'll tell you exactly like what's what. But yeah, I'm doing a pretty good job explaining it myself. So, like these are all the different pads. So they have light, like if you want it to sound bright tones. They have a simple or a complex, or both. And as you can see when you click, these pop up. So let me click these banks out real quick. These are just different banks. So let's come up with one. First, we have to do the same thing we did with the Unison Midi wizard. So for this instrument, I'm going to go to melody sauce. All inputs, melody sauce. And now it's there. Now I'm going to go to the melody sauce. And let's just start with a simple dark sound. And let's listen. So that's cool. If you don't like that, you could try a different one. You could try both. Let's do complex both. And again, this is on slow. Ooh. And if you want to try this one, go back to that one, you can. Oh, wait. Right there. You actually have two melodies right there. You can actually do both. And then once you're happy with it, you drag and you drop. So let's just go to melody 2. Same way. And boom. You turn this off. All inputs. I actually think I added all. So it gave me 2 of them. So it's pretty dope. It gave me both of them. So yeah, check that out. Get more into it. That's the melody sauce, the Unison MIDI wizard. Definitely you want to check these out. The melody sauce does not do the chords, but they do harmonize. Like, let's try to harmonize. Let's try it on the complex. Let's turn this off. Let's put it back on. Melody sauce. I just want to hear. Let's delete these. Let's go dark, harmonize, high. Hold on, we looking for it. I don't even hear nothing. Make sure I'm hitting it right. It's because I got it on mute. Make sure you don't have it on mute, y'all. And make sure I got this on and then click that. So make sure you actually click the sound and then click the piano. There we go. But I want to hear the harmonize. You can hear it. Listen. Let's go dark. Legato. Pretty dope. I did hear the harmonies in there. So it harmonizes for you. It does everything you want, man. So I definitely recommend checking these guys out. I'm going to have a referral link in the description. I want you guys to, get up in this melody sauce. It's a alternative. Definitely going to save you a lot of money. But again, this is just for melodies. I don't want you guys to think this is for chords too. But this is great tool. Again, if you guys please could do me a favor, subscribe. Let's get these numbers up. Let's get me up there. I know I haven't made no videos in a minute, but look, man, let's get it going. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you guys for showing me love. Again, one-on-one meetings. If you guys want to do these calls with me, you know what I'm saying, hit me up and I can answer a lot of you guys' questions. I can help you with the installations. Another thing is I'm about to start releasing my music on my website where I'm going to start trying to get my music on the Billboard. So I'm going to need you guys to support that too. It's going to be a really, really low cost to pre-order my album. So I'm going to make sure that each and every single one of you guys get that. It's going to be dope. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm getting on the billboards so I could teach you guys how to do the same. But, man, you know what it is, man. Appreciate you guys. Like this video. And you already know, man, we're going to drop another ones real soon, all right?